This video I'm going to show you how I made 6,000 euros passive income, which is equivalent to 500 euros passive income per month. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Accumulation Zone, the YouTube channel where you are going to learn everything about trading. I've waited a long time to make this video and I'm finally able to do it. So let's get started. This video will be all about Yieldnodes, a platform I use to make consistent passive income over the last 1.5 years. So let's get started with a short introduction about Yieldnodes and how you can make 5% to 10% passive income per month. Yieldnodes is a masternoding platform that is providing computational power and storage space in combination with special software. So let's learn a little bit about masternoding. A masternode is basically a technology that relies on a proof-of-stake approach, and a masternode is like any other full node. It's a node server within a network, and full nodes are important because they process transactions and store them in the blockchain. So basically what Yieldnodes does, it is converting the money of their customers into the relevant coins for those masternodes. And once the masternode is set up, all the revenue generated through that masternode, or all the masternodes in combination, are being paid out to all the Yieldnodes. So let's have a look at Yieldnode statistics. So Yieldnodes is operating a total of 2,000 to 4,000 masternodes. The revenue generated for the last month, the month of July, was 9.2%. And their average monthly yield over the last 34 months is 10%. And this equates to an annual yield of 120%, or if you compound it, 213%. If we look at Yieldnodes' performance since the development of 2019 September, we consistently stayed above 5% passive income per month. Sometimes we had very good months that almost got you up to 20% gain on account per month, completely passive. And all over it's averaging out at roughly 9.2%. And if we take a look at Yieldnodes' profit, we can see a projected 5 to 15% pure profit paid out every month, completely passive. And there's an interesting twist: should the yield drop below 5% for 3 consecutive months, your rental payment will be returned along with any accrued profits if compounded. No fuss, no quibbling. And now, before we jump into my dashboard to show you how much profit I made over the last 12 months, we are having a look at the performance of Yieldnodes in contrast to other traditional investments over the last 34 months. So for example, if you would have invested 500 euros at the beginning when Yieldnodes started, so September 2019, now you would be sitting at $12,000. So if you would have compounded all your profits from Yieldnodes since September 2019, you would have 24x your initial investment of 500 euros. And if we compare Yieldnodes' compounded performance with, for example, Bitcoin, if you would have invested in September 2019, you would now be sitting at 1,500 euros. So that's only a 3x. If you would have invested into the Dow Jones, you would be still sitting at the same amount of money you would have initially invested. And now, if you want to sign up for Yieldnodes, you can simply click onto the link in my video description and fill out this little form. You don't even have to fill out your credit card information, and afterwards you will be able to log into the Yieldnodes members area. And now let's check out my dashboard. So currently I have masternoded a total of 3,572 euros, and all up I made a total return on investment of 4,877.95 euros. And right here in the dashboard we can already see for August 2022, so for the current month, we already made 1.4% profit in the first week of August. We can also see the performance over the last 3 months. So for example, in May 2022, I made a total passive income of 533 euros. In June, same. And in July, I only made a profit of 300 euros. And if we take a look at my reports, I currently have 3,572 euros masternoded because I withdrew 6,000 euros. Just to make sure like the withdrawals and everything's working, I'm going to redeposit this amount of money. I just wanted to make sure that everything's working before I upload this video. We can also see that the fund in 2022 had a total return already of 53%, completely passive income. And the cool thing about Yieldnodes is you can directly deposit from your Binance, Coinbase, Bitcoin wallet or Tether USDT wallet straight here onto the platform. Then they usually take around 7 days to convert your Bitcoins or your USDT into their master notable coins before you actually start generating any passive income. And here we have the complete deposits and withdrawal history of my account. So you can see that I deposited at the beginning a total of 1,505 euros, and a little bit afterwards, when I was okay, this platform is secure and I can trust this platform, I deposited a little bit more money, and all those small amounts are all the profits Yieldnode generated, and they have been added to my masternoded balance up here. And just recently I withdrew 6,000 euros just to make sure everything's working right and I also get my money. So if you have a little bit of leftover money laying around in your crypto wallet and you're not sure what to do with it, I can highly recommend investing into Yieldnodes to make at least a stable 5% passive income per month. And of course, don't invest your whole portfolio into Yieldnodes. I only invested roughly around 5% of my total capital into Yieldnodes to generate a little bit of passive income using this awesome platform. To bring this video to an end, if you are interested in making passive income with your money that's just laying around somewhere, I can definitely recommend Yieldnodes. To sign up, please click on the link in the video description to start making passive income with your money. And that's it for my Yieldnodes review. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video or in my Telegram community.